Hey guys, my name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedo Pot, where that 20 inches you can grow 5 pounds of radish. No human intervention. You never water, you never feed, and you end up with perfect food all the time. I love my radish. These are my leaves. They're so good. Very spicy too. I never water, I never feed my plants, but it grows me hundreds of radish. If I wanted to, it can grow me thousands of radish. Every 24 inches now, I do 5 pounds of radish. And so, when there was a lot of parts, the base part of the radish, the root, and the leaves themselves. So, what I'm going to do today is to start slicing these up so we can store and have them in different locations. My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedo Pot.